Here's your big tree.
Here's my trout.
Here's your trout.
Here's my trout. It's frozen in the spot.
No, hold on to it.
Yeah, it's flat-bellied. There's the one I caught. There's the one I caught. And there's the tiny one he caught. He did! Come here. Come here. Mine's about the 3 times the size of yours.
I know.
I guess when they say size doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter, huh? About the size of the pot. That one's life ended very brutally. You threw it into a twig. You impaled it with a twig.
Well,
I saw the blood on the stick.
I had to put it somewhere.
Shut up. Yeah. Hold on, Dad. Let me get over here. Here, all you have to do is just cut off the head.
I'm moving on that right now. I'll get this on.
I swear, if I get demonetized for showing blood, I'm gonna get mad. Dad, what you're supposed to do? No, your dad, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to come down here, cut it down from here.
You can do it.
You're supposed to go from there and cut it down from here. That's the easier way. And then all you have to do is the guts come out easily.
Well, it's easy to make it this way because I can hold on to some bitch.
True. Look at that tiny little fella. Yeah, corn.
It's corn on the cob. Corn on the rod.
Corn on the rod. Yeah, that is. It's really easy to clean a trout. It's very easy. Ew. Ow! If you guys are screamers, then you might want to look away from this. There's that blood.
Look how much corn that thing ate.
Yeah, right?
It stowed a bunch of corn, didn't it?
Yeah. And this is for knowledge purposes, so don't get angry, YouTube. Don't. Please. I need money. There's the bloodstream right there. Just push that all out. Usually put a knife right there. You can usually do that easier. A lot easier. If you guys are squeamish, you might not want to watch that.
Quit being sisters.
Up! Did you almost drop the fish?
No.
Ew, gosh, that's just... That's cool, actually. Is it bad that I think that's cool? Is that bad that I think it's cool? That's just a... Oh, you can see the nerves in it. Ew. Yep, there goes the head. Pop goes the head, eh?
Pop goes the weasel.
No person. Try to get all the rest of that blood out, because that does not taste good. You want to try to get all the blood out. Trying to clean it all out. Try to get all of that stuff out.
I'll pour this out, put some fresh water in here.
Yeah, you might need to do that. It's amazing how much corn that sucker ate.
So that shows you they love corn.
Yeah, they're really, yeah. Corn and salmon eggs. Salmon eggs, you can catch one every single time with salmon eggs.
Yeah, I don't know. I've always used corn.
Yeah, corn too. The cat's over there having a field day with that head. Watch it. I mean, it doesn't really ruin the taste if you have a little bit left over, Dad. Just don't stab me in the foot with that knife. Don't you dare. Beautiful rainbow trout. I don't even think that tiny one will be able to. There you go.
I think a cat's on thinking eat fish and eat the bones and not get choked.
Oh, yeah, probably.
She's hungry.
You having fun?
Oh.
God. That puddle looks like a scene from Jaws. Are you gonna cut the back fins off?
No, eat them. Them's good.
Really?
Yeah, I like them.
Well, it's been a long time since I had trout. Well, us eating the trout will be a part 2. Where do we go? Where do we go to catch these trout?
To the mountains, whatever.
Cool. Hey, Dad. You remember when I stepped in when I was walking in the river trying to cast a line and I fell? I got all my legs soaked. I'm still wearing the same pants too. All of that stuff got. Ugh. Let's see it. Let's see it. Nice.
Wash it off in a minute.
Yeah. Now we have to dispatch the other one. That was tiny. I'm sure you could just bust out the head on that one. You're breaking its back.
Break its back.
It's falling sideways. Ugh.
I got you like this. I got you.
So that's how decapitation works.
See, if you cut this way, if you cut the other way, you'll be cutting the guts and stuff. See, this way, you're just cutting the meat.
Oh.
See
True.
what I'm saying?
Yeah. I get it, yeah.
Your mama.
Yep.
It said your mama. What it said.
Oh. Oh no, people could roast.
The kid said, give me another shot of that shit. I like it.
Why do those intestines look like Oreo? Like friggin' like some type of cereal.
I don't know, you want to taste it?
No. Give me $20 and I will. Yeah. Mama said you didn't like feeding the cat.
Do what?
Mama said you didn't like feeding the cat.
Well, I didn't feed it. I
know.
wouldn't buy it to feed if I didn't like it.
Yeah. Don't cut yourself.
Shit, my finger, make out blood.
Yeah. So this is a trout cleaning tutorial, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I guess we're the only ones who eating fish today, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Surprisingly, it's taken you 8 minutes to finish 2 fish. If you were trying to finish very fastly, you probably would be able to. You'd probably get it done really quickly. It doesn't matter if you have a little bit of that stuck in there.
I know.
All we have to do now is just cook them up like that.
Yep.
All you have to do is just put some slits in the side of the belly and just cook it up with some ingredients, and good you go. Ugh. Nice. The cat's having a field day with that head. Hey, Daddy.
Just take them in some cold water and wash them.
Yep. Daddy.
You're good to go.
Dad. It's cute. Ugh.
Here, grab these 2 fish.
Alright. Oh, fuck. fun. Life is fun. Life is fun. Life is fun. Yeah. I'll carry mine.
Don't do that.
I'll carry mine.
Get it all over your hand, you fall across the tank and everything.
Nah, it's fine. You carry. You get your tiny one.
Bring the whole pot in here.
Get. I don't care. Bye.